you travel out to the mid-Pacific Ocean, like halfway between Los Angeles and Hawaii, we find this thin soup of plastic particulate. And I brought a sample to show you. So what this is the ocean surface 1,000 miles out to sea. Now this isn't scooping up the ocean. This is scooping up an area as big as 3 football fields and putting it into one jar. So it's really spread out. This is why it's really difficult, if not impossible, to clean up this mess that's out there. Now keep in mind the ocean, the North Pacific alone, is 9 million football fields. So to remove the trash, to go get it, is not an option. What we can do is stop adding more.
I'm sort of interested into the environment because when I grow up, I want to be either a herpetologist or a zoologist.
Wow, very cool.
Because I like animals and, well, fish are animals, and with all the plastic, I could kill all the fish in the river, lakes, like even the ocean.
No Child Left Inside legislation is very important, and we really want to support that totally. And what we're trying to do this year is give teachers understanding on how they can actually do investigative researches in their own backyard.
There's a huge fish right here. I think there's a shoelace everywhere right there. And it's weird. Oh, and there's some fish skin right there. It's weird.
Why do you think it's so important to get these kids engaged early in this kind of science and this kind of discussion?
Well, the science that we're talking about is a growing understanding of living on a planet that's crowded with finite resources. We have to build a sustainable world for the students, these children, and their future. And to do so takes science. So to understand that our actions in our homes, in our schools, in our cafeteria, really go beyond our neighborhoods and into the world. The consumption of plastics, for example, I go to some schools and every child uses a spork that's in a plastic bag with a little tiny straw. They're given one of those every single day. I have found those sporks 2,000 miles from the California coast. So the impact of our behavior here on land has an impact far away from here geographically and far into our future. So talk to the children now, to get them thinking about how do we live sustainably in our world today. It's going to create a much better future.